Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Every day I try to make some improvement to my life, and or work on something. And it's pretty rare a day goes by that I don't try to make some improvement. And right here you can see my fishing pole rack that I've got these plastic holders for these 4 poles, and then over here in the corner I've got another plastic holder with some more poles. And I never liked it, and I always planned on doing something. So today, during the lockdown, and it's raining outside, I decided today's the day we're gonna make an improvement. So we're gonna build a fishing pole rack, and let's get a measurement here. 47. So we're going to make a rack to hold all these poles and make it look a little nicer. Anyway, let's get started. So right off the bat, I find this piece of wood. It's basically a piece of siding, but it's some cedar siding, and it was left over from when they built the house. And I thought this would work pretty good. So yeah. Let's try to make something out of it. The first thing I do is set my stop block to 47 inches and cut 2 of these wide pieces. And then I get the 2 pieces. I noticed they're pretty badly cupped, but I rip them down to the side, the width that I want. And after I get them ripped down, I then take them over to the joiner and run them through the joiner and try to flatten them out. They were pretty cupped, but I think when you cut them in smaller pieces and then run them through the joiner, you can save them. So I hook up my joiner to the Dust Right dust collection and start running them through. And they actually came out nice and flat and square, so I was pretty happy with that. There was a couple like ridges from when they made the siding. They put like these drip things in the back of them, but I planed those off, and it came out pretty good. So then I dado a groove in 2 of the boards and make sure that they fit good. And once I know that they fit, I then mark out for all the holes for the rods to go through. And I decide that I can use the same size hole for both pieces. So I use one piece as a backer board, and then I don't go all the way through, and then I flip it over and drill the rest of the way through. I then take my 1/4 round bit and router all the edges that are going to be visible, and I routed out all the circles to make them nice and smooth. And then I proceeded to test fit it, and everything fit nice and tight, which I was pretty happy about. And then it was time to glue it and nail it. And I went over and got a nail gun off my rack, and I was going to use some I have some leftover stainless steel nails that are, what are they, 1 3/4 inches? And so I shot those in. I marked the center of the board and just shot the nails in both racks. And then I pre-drilled 3 holes in each rack and got some screws and got ready to go install. I wasn't going to stain it right away, so right now I just wanted to see how I liked it. And I took down the old shitty plastic racks and put up the first one, leveled it out, got it on a stud, which was nice, and then I put the second one up. And that one was a little harder to find a stud in the right place, so I used my magnet. And once I found the stud where I wanted it, I screwed that one off, and then yeah, it was all set. And then it was basically after I got it screwed off, it was time to load it up with poles and see how I liked it. Thanks for watching Outlaw Woodworking. I think it came out nice. It's I think later on I'll take them off and stain them and put some polyurethane or something on them. But for some scrap wood that I had laying around that was pretty warped, I think it came out really nice. And it'll be easy to get them in and out. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better. Let me know what you think. And otherwise, have a good day. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe. Hit the bell. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Later.